Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA MG2524 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer, and the ink cartridge chamber door is here, so just have to push and it will open. Wait for the ink cartridges to come here. Once they are here, we have to open that. So press the ink cartridge down and you will see it comes out. And to install the ink cartridges, you have to place the color at the color side. Make sure you press the ink cartridge inside with enough force. So you just slide it in and now push it in. Also for the black, slide it in and push it in. And now close the ink cartridge chamber door. So this way we can install or replace the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.